Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to contact Facebook customer support. So now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Facebook application and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on the help and support at the bottom corner of your screen. Then click on help center. Now scroll down and then click on Visit Business Help Center. Okay, that's right. Okay, now scroll down and then you'll see the different suggestion of what kind of help you want from the support team. Okay, for example, this how to set up a shop on Facebook and Instagram. Just click on learn more. So right after clicking on learn more, you will have the answer, a step-by-step guide for you to do so you could be able to fix your problem. Okay, and if you want more help, you can also tap on the get support at the top right corner of your screen. Then right after that, you'll be able to have another guide and then support from the customer support. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.